Hey guys, Don't Matter More here, and I thought today I would play some Will You Press the Button. I have seen Markiplier play it, and it looks really fun, really kind of just stuff like that. And yes, I'm outside. And also you might be able to see like comments from other people. I don't know how to get rid of that. So let's see here. Will you press the button? Alright, you get your favorite Pokemon to keep as a pet, so that would be Pikachu. Or they're stronger. You get your favorite Pokemon to keep as a pet, but their stronger abilities let them defy orders and take advantage of your constantly. Yeah, sure. Alright. Like that dilemma. Alright. Get everything you ever wanted, but your lifespan gets cut in half. No. Because if I get everything I ever wanted, but my lifespan gets cut in half, then I only have half the time to enjoy everything I ever wanted. So no. No. Man. Alright. You can read people's minds, but the person you read the mind of finds out your biggest secret. No. Alright. Any game value will ever make from now on will be less than $10 and the best games ever. Half-Life 3 will not be one of them. Sure. What? No. You have a book that when you write someone's name in it, they die. Death Note. They will haunt you but they will haunt you for the rest of their life. Well, that's kind of hard because like I write like books all the time. So I only use, oh man. But I could just change their name, but whoever's name that is dies. No. You get Tumblr famous, but only for blogging Homestuck. I don't even have Tumblr, so no. You will receive $10,000 a day for the rest of your life, but you must volunteer half of your waking hours to PETA. What is PETA? I'm not sure, Okay, so they're animal-killing psychos. So I will not, because, like, I love my animals. Oh my god, no. Alright, so you may make any wish you want. The amount of wishes is unlimited. The wishing system works like the monkey's claw. If you aren't specific down to the very last detail, your wish could be twisted into something bad. Yeah, let's do that. Death is non-existent, but slavery is widely accepted and practiced. No. I just don't like slavery. The thought of it, just no. Alright, my book adapted to screen, but it's edited nearly beyond recognition, and you don't agree with the casting. No. Let's see. Travel the world limitlessly, but all puppies, nope, puppies die, no, that's not nice. I pressed it. Oh, no. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Friends will come back for another season, but Joey isn't there. See, I really didn't grow up on Friends though, but it's a really good show. I watch it sometimes. But yeah, it's okay. Joey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about the wind, guys. I'm outside. My sister's taking over my bedroom, and I have no other place to record. Alright, so you can have the woman of your dreams, but you slowly turn into a woman. No. I'm sorry. I really do want the woman of my dreams, but I'm pretty sure she's straight and would just dump me right after that, so, yeah. You are whoever you want in the Lord of the Rings universe, but get punched in the stomach every morning. See, I really didn't enjoy the Lord of the Rings, so, no. You will have infinite money, but you become incontinent. What? Nah. Oh, I'm so sorry for the ads, guys. You will have the power to control time, but everything you eat will taste like wet crackers. No! Oh, crackers are bad enough. Especially them saltines. You go back in time to kill King Edward Longshanks, preventing thousands of rapes and murders. But the movie Braveheart is never made. Let's do it. Yeah, I disliked it. Who cares? Alright, you have the power to own and control a whole city, but it's the city of Detroit. Well, if I can own and control a whole city, I will just tell them to make Detroit better. So yes. Yes, I will. Yes, special offers. I can teleport, you can teleport anywhere in time, or anywhere, anytime. You change gender every time you teleport. Sure, let's do it, man. That actually sounds fun. Don't question me. Understand the meaning of life, but never have an orgasm again. Oh my god, my channel, I am so sorry if there are any kids, watching my videos. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, and I've always wanted to know the meaning of life. Oh my god, guys, I am so sorry. But I'm gonna understand the meaning of life, because that's just, yeah. Okay. You are Gordon Freeman, but the apocalypse in the Half-Life series will happen in 5 years. Well, I'm a gamer, so yeah! Yeah! I will get $1 million a month, but I have to watch someone die a horrible, tragic death every month. No. Have a full case of photographic memory, but every time you try to remember a sexual moment, it becomes twisted in the most disgusting and horrifying way. Oh my god. Why? I am so sorry. Oh my god. I am so sorry, guys. I'm gonna do it because I want photographic memory, because I'm not really, I really don't remember stuff that well. Some might say I have that short-term memory loss, so yeah. Like that. Yeah, man. I'm so sorry, guys.
Every day, data makes our services work better for you.
Let's skip it in 1 second.
Like when the songs you've been listening to help you discover.
Okay. You will be able to tell what anyone's attitude is towards you and can read their mind, But the love of your life dies when she turns 21. No. But see, how does it know I'm a dude? I mean, I am a dude, but apparently everyone likes women now. Because this could have been a girl, a woman, a lady playing this, and it says the love of your life dies when she turns 21. Okay, just like that dilemma. You get to live on a distant planet just like Earth without any pollution, untainted by man. You will be alone forever. No! No! That's so sad. You will have all the knowledge in the world. You lose all of your childhood memory. Well, I'm still a child, but my childhood really hasn't... It's been good, but not that good. So, yeah, sure. I can turn invisible at will, or your invisibility is unpredictable, which means you can stay invisible for 3 seconds or 5 years. Well, pretty much invisible to pretty much everyone now, so heck yeah. Yeah. I can live for free, travel anywhere you want, and do anything you want for the rest of your life. I will die at 30. No. 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 You can have anything you want in the world at any time, but you have 2 years to live. No. That's just the same like as the other one I explained, guys. Kurt will come back to life and make 20 more Nirvana albums. The next 5 presidents will be Republicans. You know, I don't even know who Kurt Cobain is. I'm only 15, so no, I will not. You acquire any fictional weapon of your choosing, but you can't use it in the company of others. So you're saying, oh, any fictional weapon. I want a unicorn launcher, but in the company of others, so that means I couldn't use it any time. At any time. Because I'm always around people, so no. Do I do it? No, I want to skip it. Everything you ever wanted in life will come true for you, but you must give up the internet and the cell phone. Well, I could live without that, yeah. You don't have to pay anything anymore, but you still have to work. If I didn't have to pay anything anymore, why would I have to work? No. Because then there would be no need for working. You can read the minds of animals, but you can't stop hearing their thoughts. Sure. You now own Google and all its wealth, but you have to use Firefox and Yahoo for the rest of your life. Let's do it. Yep. Oh, no. No, let me skip. No Wizard of Oz stuff. Have the fastest internet connection in the world, have the worst computer. No. Alright, guys, 2 more, and I'm gonna end the video off. You become infinitely rich, globally famous, and immortal, but 90% of the Earth's population suddenly dies. But then you can repopulate by doing stuff that I'm not gonna mention, but sure. I'm ruthless. I'm gonna dislike that even. You marry your crush, you won't be able to have kids. In what way? Because adoption's always an option. Let's do it. Adoption's always an option. Alright, the last one. You will be granted any superpower alive, or you will be granted any superpower you like. You will also be the only person to ever have this. Most people alive will try and kill you. Well, any superpower I like, then I could choose invincibility, and then most people alive will try to kill me and it'll never work. Or, like, regeneration. I'm gonna go with regeneration because Deadpool has always, like, he's had regeneration, and he always comes back to life even though his heart was ripped out and all that. So, yeah, I like this. Alright, guys, so I am going to end it here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Will You Press the Button. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded videos. We have been moving all the other stuff that I was in the house. All that other stuff, we have been moving that. So, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading. I have been trying to find time, and right now is pretty much the only time I have. So, yeah. So that is good. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Will You Press the Button. I will be doing more, but not today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really do. And a like, comment, subscribe. It helps me out a lot. It really does, guys. I love you. God bless. Happy gaming.